Early good morning. It's time to make another delivery. Road King is gone. But Willie, it's time for you to put on. We've been over here before. Oh, traveling down the road again. Old Cedar Town. We came out here last time when we sold one of the other scooters. It's a little small town. Tied upon, ain't got one. Plenty of road and ride out here now. That's what I'm talking about. Ain't nothing like the blocks.
Can you show me how? I can run everything for you.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you?
Pretty much I build these bikes all the time.
Oh yeah?
I Willie, these are stunt rides. Just scratching on the ground.
Oh, okay. So you build the bikes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
So that's why I said it's like, only reason why I negotiate less Christmas, and I already know I got a couple other people that's interested in hitting me up, but I just like, well, I'm not closer this way.
Hey, yeah. Oh my God.
Key.
Okay.
It's 2-stroke mixed gas. First thing you do, when you go start it, pump some gas in here,
Oh, okay.
and then you keep it up. 3 short pulls, and then you just bump it a little bit. You got it. You have to work for a while, then you put it down.
Wait, car. Car.
The handlebars fold down. Battery. You can take a battery, put it in here, charge it up right here. It's like $10 online. You can buy a battery. It's a battery in here, but you just plug it in right here. A 3-prong. It's like $10 off Amazon. You just put it in, and the lights come on, and then you'll be able to just push the hold of brake. Let me see if that charge up enough. No, the battery's still dead, but you can also electric start it too. But that's why I'm like negotiating the price. I don't want to go up and up. Most people just pull it and go take off.
Oh, you just pull it in that way.
Mm-hmm.
That's more better too.
Yeah, because if the battery died, then you can't crank it.
Yeah.
Most kids, you don't ride it, leave the key on.
Where's the battery?
The battery's up under here.
Oh,
A little bit more gas.
You'll get it though,
Sure I can.
because it has 2 wheels on the back and then it has one on the front, so it balances you out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's one of our stunt riders. That's his baby. But we have more like this though. Some of them depends on what it is, what color, and how much you want in it. So we have like ones that we just do a basic color, and then we got ones that we just trick it all out of there.
That's cute, though. Yeah, it's nice.
You like it?
Yeah, maybe my grandsons enjoy this.
How old is your grandsons?
One is 9 and the other is 14.
Oh yeah, they're gonna love it.
Yeah.
They're gonna love it. They're gonna be riding up and down the street.
He can find the charger and I pay for it.
Yeah, you can get it from Walmart.
Oh, in Walmart?
Uh huh. You can get it from Walmart or Amazon. You can get the battery from Walmart also. You know where the big wheel area is at Walmart?
Yeah.
You can get one. Because if not, we can order it on Amazon. You just look at the 3-prong, and then we can do it that way.
3-point charger.
And then the battery.
Oh, and the
Because
battery?
sometimes it come with the battery and the charger. It's a 12-volt battery.
You fix it,